Today let's pronounce this name, know about the brand and make some sentences with it. So what is this? This is pronounced as Van Heusen. Van Heusen. What is the spelling? V-A-N-H-E-U-S-E-N, and it is pronounced as Van Heusen. V-A-N-H-Y-O-O-Z-U-H-N. Van Heusen. And what is Van Heusen? Van Heusen is a brand name primarily associated with men's clothing, particularly shirts and formal wear. It was founded by Moses Phillips and John Van Heusen in 1910, and Van Heusen is known for its quality dress shirts, neckties and other formal attire. So Van Heusen, as I always talk, how did they get the name Van Heusen? So Van Heusen has its name in the Dutch origins. In Dutch, Van Heusen is or refers to two names that have been fused together. Van means from and Heusen refers to a town or a river or a city or any place from where the inhabitants have lived. So Van Heusen particularly has Dutch origins, and Van Heusen is not just the only name. If you're talking about Van, you can have a Van Dyne, you can have a Van Beek, you can have a Van Linden, you can have a Van de Meer, you can have a lot of Vans, all of Dutch origin. But we know Van Heusen. Why? Because it has a prominent clothing name associated with it. So what is Van Heusen? Van Heusen is a clothing line known for its formal wear. And how is it spelled? It is spelled as V-A-N-H-E-U-S-E-N. And how is it pronounced? It is pronounced as V-A-N-H-Y-O-O-Z-U-H-N. Van Heusen. So can we make some simple sentences with Van Heusen just so that you understand it properly? Okay. So every Christmas, my mother would gift my father a Van Heusen tie. As I had already mentioned, or as I had previously mentioned, Van Heusen is known for its formal wear. Or the CEO of the company was always dressed in Van Heusen suits or Van Heusen attires. Yeah? Or if you can use it in a more simple manner, she smudged her expensive Van Heusen tunic, or he smudged his expensive Van Heusen shirt with ice cream. Or the Van Heusen that I had purchased last year did not live up to its quality. There are numerous ways in which you can use the word Van Heusen, provided you pronounce it in the correct manner. So now that you know how it is pronounced, make your own sentences and be comfortable in speaking it wherever you feel like speaking. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, and please watch our videos till the end. Thank you again.